this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be pressing, I'm going to be using sublimation in order to sublimate a hoodie. I'm going to be sublimating this white hoodie that I have right here, and I'm going to be using a design that I pulled into Canva. It's going to be for me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to be doing in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and print it out on my Epson ET2760. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, so this is the design or the image that I'm going to be using to print on my my white hoodie. I have a hoodie that I'm going to be putting this on, and I'm going to be linking the video that that I did last time where I tried to use this same design and do DTF. It did not turn out right. I had some shirts that turned out great, but some of them didn't, and I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All right, so this time I'm just going to sublimate this onto my white hoodie. So let's go ahead and let me show you what to do. All right, so what I'm going to do, I've already flipped the design. I'm going to go here to share, press share, come down to where it says download. I'm going to download it. Go here where it says PNG, go down to PDF print. All right, so everything is like I like it. I don't check any of those. All right, I'm going to click download, and I'm going to go ahead and print it on my Epson ET2760. All right, so I want to show you because I'm going to be adding some wording at the bottom of my hoodie, and I'm just going to be spelling out Alabama State University. Now, I already have the Alabama State printed out, and I want to go ahead and do the university, and I want to show you what I'm doing. All right, so I'm over in Cricut Design Space, and I've already typed out university. So in order to get the university, I have the text here, but you just press here where it says text on the left-hand side, and the text box will come up for you to type in whatever it is that you want to type in. All right, so I've already typed out my university, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete these two texts because I don't need them. All right, so I've already typed this out. Now, in order to change your font, you just come right here to where it says font, click on it, and you can go down and choose whatever font that you want. They have chunky font, they have modern, classic, techno, fashion, contemporary, and if it's a font that you're looking for that you know the name of it but you can't find it here because there's over 254 fonts, then you can just come and type it in right here. Okay, all right, and this here is just the A, which means Cricut Access. That means I pay for the membership, and I have access to pretty much all of the fonts that you see here. Okay, so I've already chose my font, which is the Century MT font, and I'm going to go ahead and put my iron-on vinyl or my heat transfer vinyl down on my mat, and this is the vinyl that I'm using here. All right, this is called HTV or iron-on vinyl, and this is my mat. All right, this is my mat right here. And this is the Paper Studio mat. Purchases from Hobby Lobby. And it was a 12 by 24, and I just cut it in half. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put your heat transfer vinyl or your own iron vinyl on your mat. All right. So when it comes to heat transfer vinyl, you have a shiny side and you have a kind of like a dull. I mean, it's still shiny, but it's kind of like a plastic on the back side. You want to put the shiny side down on your mat, just like so. And go ahead and press it down. All right. And I'm just using a scratch piece. I've always saved my scratch vinyl because it comes in handy when I'm doing something like this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Cricut. I have a Cricut Explore Air. All right. I'm gonna turn it on. All right, and go ahead and open it up. All right, and just play. I just put my mat right here. Then I'm gonna go back over to Cricut Design Space, and I'm gonna go over here to the right hand side to where it says Make It. Click on Make It, and I want to put, it says how will you load your materials. I'm going to be loading them on a mat. You click on 12 by 12, hit confirm. All right, and you always mirror your image, which you go over here to the left hand side, click on mirror, and you see it turns it around. All right, so once, just make sure everything is like you want it. Come down here to where it says continue, press continue. All right, and then mine is a little slow, but it's coming up. All right, base material set to iron on. That's what I want. All right, so right here it tells you, it said make sure mirror is turned on and iron on material is faced shiny side down, just like I showed you. You come here to where it says load tools and materials. We've already loaded. No, we need to go ahead and load our mat. All right, so we go back here, come back over here to our machine, and just place your mat in the two little slots right here. All right. And then you press this little flashing button right here, this arrow button. All right, it pulls the mat in for you. And now come back to your screen to where it says press go. So press the flashing go button, which is the little flashing, the C button here, which you will see right here on your machine. All right, and you press it. And it's going to go ahead and pull a mat in with the vinyl, and it's going to go ahead and start cutting out your letters. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. All right, so I've already taken my my mat out of my machine, and as you see, it is printed here. So I'm just going to remove the vinyl off my mat, and since it's just a small piece, I just pull it straight up. All right, so come to done right here in Cricut Design Space, so you can go ahead and go back to your Cricut Design Space. All right, so you're done printing out your design. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and I'm gonna weed it out. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead. I've already added my butcher paper underneath my hoodie, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good lint roll. And again, this is just, you know, to get any debris, lint, or anything off the area that I am going to be put my sublimation on. Remember, I'm going to be doing sublimation, and I'm going to be using iron-on vinyl on this hoodie. Okay. All right, so this is the design that I'm going to be using. Remember, this is going to be for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it here and center it. And I'm going to go ahead and use my sublimation tape. All right, so I have my heat press set at 350 for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with butcher paper. All right. So as you see, the design is showing through the paper, so that means it took. Again, I am using Ieasha paper, and I use my converted sublimation printer, which is the Epson ET2760. So we're gonna go ahead and let it cool, and we're going to check and see how it looks. Then I'm going to be adding my Cricut iron-on or heat transfer vinyl onto this hoodie, and I'm going to be adding it right in this area right here along the bottom. Okay. All right, so let's take it off and see how everything looks. Hopefully everything is beautiful, and it is. I absolutely love this. Let me let you get a closer look. Hold on. All right, so here is my hoodie. If you don't know, I am a graduate of Alabama State University, so I wanted to make me a hoodie to wear around. So this is it. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is put my HTV or my iron-on vinyl right in this area, right up in here somewhere. So let's go. All right, everyone, so I'm going to use my Cricut Easy Press in order to press these on, because like I said, I have a small press and I don't want to try to move it or any of that. So I have my Teflon sheet that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to start. This is the way that I wanted mine. I did Alabama State and University at the bottom. So I'm just going to take my Teflon sheet, cover up the sign that says state. I have it on 350 for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to take it and press it just like this with firm pressure. All right. And just hold it on here until it sticks, okay? All right, so I'm finished with this side. So I'm gonna just take it off. All right, and it's sticking down. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over here to the Alabama part. On this side, I'm just gonna do the same thing as I did with the state. Take my Teflon sheet, place it over it, and just take my easy press and just do the same thing. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the university. Now I'll be back to let you see how it looks. All right, everyone, so here is my Sublimation and HTV hoodie. All right, I did Alabama State University using my Cricut Explorer with HTV or iron vinyl, and this I did with sublimation. All right, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, make sure you follow me over on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook channel at Ieasha Designed It. All right, you all have a great day, and I will see you on my next video.